Welcome back programmers. Congratulations because we reached 400 subscribers in our all-in-one code YouTube channel. In this occasion, I decided to give away you guys a little present for you. We really enjoyed your joining with us, and because of this love we have thought of giving you a small gift for my subscribers only. I will not let your desire to learn, and I will learn with you guys, and you guys gave me an excuse to learn, and so I want to give you a small gift, a small giveaway for my subscribers. So that gift is quadcopter frame kit with A212 kV 1000 brushless motor and 430 ESC and 2 pair 1045 propeller. Now some of you are thinking, what is this? This is the drone kit. With the help of use of this kit, you can create the actual drone which can fly obviously. Now in the previous giveaway I gave you guys a Shubham Khatri Raspberry Pi board, which is the mini computer and open source projects, and with the help of that Raspberry Pi and this drone kit, you can create the actual drone with some of the machine learning algorithm. And if you don't want to use Raspberry Pi, it's okay. With the help of this kit you can create this simple quadcopter, but with the help of my camera and Raspberry Pi you can create the machine learning fully functional quadcopter. And I am giving you the Raspberry Pi 5 megapixel camera board module. With the use of this camera, you can use this camera in Raspberry Pi or Arduino whenever you want to use this camera. Now I am teaching you guys the machine learning algorithm. With the use of OpenCV, you can create a project, a drone which follow the particular object and create the out-of-box extraordinary project using this drone kit and camera module. Now this drone kit contains 4 propellers, 4 brushless motors and 430 ESC, and obviously a drone body. So this drone kit Indian price is 3,750 rupees, and in the US dollar this drone price is $138.29, and the camera module price in Indian rupees is 2,100 rupees, and in the US price it's $27.48. So I am giving you one of my subscribers. Also remember to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new in this video, and comment me what did you like about this drone kit and what is you wanna make from this drone kit and camera module. I'm gonna use the total randomly technique which I used in the previous giveaway to select the only one YouTube subscriber to give this very cool drone kit, and that subscriber will create the out of the box project using this drone kit and the camera module. Now if you want to buy this drone kit and the camera module, so link is in the description. Now I know this is the corona time, but whenever delivery is starting, I'm gonna give this product to that lucky winner who win this drone as quick as possible. And again, thank you for join the all-in-one code. Now whenever next time 600 subscriber is gonna be complete, I'm gonna create the another giveaway for you guys only. Okay, this is not the end, and for other 4 subscriber I am giving you the Programming Python 3E paper book, and with the use of this book you can learn Python from basic to advanced, very advanced. This is the very famous book and you can't find this book in internet. So this book name is Python 2 book in 1, the crash course for beginners to learn Python programming, data science and machine learning, plus practical exercise include artificial intelligence, NumPy, pandas. So in this kit you are gonna get the 2 books for 4 subscribers only. for 4 lucky subscribers only. So if you wanna get this book, just comment me why do you wanna learn Python, and if you wanna get the drone, just comment me why do you want to get a drone and what are you gonna do with that drone kit. So for 4 lucky subscribers, I'm gonna giving you this Python 2 book in one, the crash course for beginners to learn Python, programming, data science and machine learning plus practical exercise include. And for 1 lucky subscribers, I am giving you the drone quadcopter kit and camera module. So this book Indian price is 600 rupees, or if you are from other country, so this book's price is $22.85 because some of my subscriber is from US and some other countries. So don't worry subscriber, if you are in heaven, I'm gonna give you my product. So don't worry about where are you live, just subscribe my YouTube channel now and comment me why do you want drone kit or this book, and hit on the like button, share this video to other programmers, and thank you to always be with us. Thank you for staying with us in the journey of learning. And I am creating this website for my YouTube channel because some of you guys have problem with my old website, because in the old website I got a very big problems. So I'm creating this website for you guys only. So stay with us, learn and teach. That's our motive. So thank you again for subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you to share this video. Thank you to like this video. See you guys in the next giveaway with some other awesome product. Whenever I'm gonna complete the 600 subscriber, I'm gonna create the another giveaway. So till then, learn my videos, teach that video to other programmers. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.